Hi, I'm Daniel, and I'm going to be telling you a little bit about one of our dorms here on campus. This is Red Hill. This is the biggest dorm that we have here on campus. It's 3 stories tall, and it has 6 wings with 2 and 3 person rooms. At the end of each hall, there's a community-style bathroom for students, and each floor also has its own laundry room for students as well. Here in the lobby, we have our student lounge where students are able to have game nights, movie nights, study breaks, and other events like that. And we have a couple of classrooms down in the basement, including a biology and chemistry lab and a lab for our strategic intelligence program where students are able to do special projects and research for that major. I hope I was able to show you just a little bit of what campus has to offer, and I hope that you have a great rest of your day.